They got us, huh?
Yo, let's go. Where's the train?
They're fucking camper, huh?
Do you guys wanna give it a try again? Train?
Try and try.
Try and
Until we
try
die
until we
again.
succeed.
Until we die again.
Until we die. That's okay. Let's kill them all.
Go.
Yeah, drop wherever. My fault, guys.
It's in the train.
Oh,
Oh, you want it? Alright, perfect. I got 3, 4 guys.
Oh, they got the... Yeah, I got one. One is dead.
Ah, shit.
Wow. That's crazy. See, Grandpa, fuck all that. I'm not trying to do that no more.
I got two.
Here we go.
What?
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Wow.
We're sending you back to base.
Wow.
Then,
If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Oh, you guys got the recon? Nice. Oh, the recon is ready.
Oh, what the fuck, bro? Oh, this was my fault, guys. I was fucking talking to my grandpa.
Alright, it's all good. Carlisle got the recon.
I got the recon, guys, huh?
He killed everybody. Team wipe.
I broke my fucking legs after throwing a helicopter at somebody.
Oh no, I'm too far. No.
Yeah, you can give up and he can buy us
don't
back.
worry about me, bro.
Yeah, I can buy
I
us
know.
back.
I'm gonna see if
I go to buy station, okay? I'll get one, okay?
You're
Yeah.
alright. Do your thing. I just.
I'll try in here.
Yeah, you can finish the recon so you can get more money.
Okay, okay.
It's only 1,000.
Oh,
Too high, huh? Too high.
I'll get the first one, okay? Go to the recon.
Okay, I'll go to the recon. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you guys are on the train? Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm landing on the train right now.
Yeah.
Good.
I think if we finished if we finish like 4 recon here, I think we're good. Maybe 5, 4.
No, there's someone camping here. Fuck, bastos.
Buy you back.
It's alright, bro. We got you. I only have a pistol on me, so.
It's
Same
too
here.
early to come, okay?
Oh, God.
Oh, shotgun over here. I found. You want shotgun?
Okay. In a second.
Just get the recon, guys.
I'm gonna get that recon first.
Yeah.
There's boxes here for sure.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the boxes for sure.
Orange box. Orange
Come on,
box.
Pero.
You get the orange box?
Yeah, I got the orange box.
Nice. I'll get the recon.
I got it right now.
Objective updated.
Got
Secure
you.
that position. Your teammate is redeploying.
I'm back.
Nice.
Nice.
Gonna get more money. We can buy you back, Carlos.
Carlos, yeah. That's right, Carlos.
Don't cry.
Primary objective
Don't cry.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
Oh, dude, I never let you.
Oh, the.
Do you wanna give me your money? Oh, Carla, I can buy back.
Yeah.
I can buy
Okay.
Carlos now, okay?
There's a
Okay.
nearby
Don't
buy
try, Carlos.
station here.
Yeah, don't try Carlos, okay?
Yeah, let's keep riding this whole train all the way until it goes back into the circle.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't try Carlos, okay?
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
Don't cry
Enemy,
for
enemy.
me, Argentina.
Where?
No, this one is very dangerous. I'll go there. Okay.
Yeah, more people,
No,
the faster.
No, this is good right here.
No. This one, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Primary
better.
objective accomplished. Recon intel.
We can get Carlos, okay?
Someone shooting.
Someone shooting.
South.
Okay.
Outside.
It's clear, guys. It's not looted, okay?
Be advised.
I'll get Carlos.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll get
Oh, the
Carlos,
gas.
okay?
The gas
I'll
is
get Carlos.
coming. I think we're not gonna
the
make
gas
it.
is coming, guys.
Let's
Oh wow, what the
let's go down. Let's go
recon
down.
going
Let's
on?
go, guys.
Go where?
Let's go. Here, and then
Let's
the
get
airport,
there.
at the airport.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a vehicle right out here. A vehicle.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna go first. And come get you guys.
Okay.
Loadout drop
Okay.
inbound.
Oh, I thought you were taking this one. Went to the wrong direction.
Gas.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Taking wheel.
Come on.
Can get our loadout.
Load up and then buy Carlos. Let's buy Carlos.
Yeah, but.
Oh,
look,
no,
right
abort.
here.
Abort.
There's a people. No, abort. Good. Where are they? I have an RPG, guys. I have.
Okay, let's go down and let's kill them.
No, they got me, man.
Oh shit. We'll buy you back.
I'm down.
Bro, they ain't gonna catch me, bro.
Asshole. They got my money.
Right here, puppy.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Buy
there's
Yeah,
station
we-
here.
Buy Carlos. It's too far, huh?
Yeah. I think we need to go to the buy station.
Oh, I got an armor box on me.
Go to
Okay.
the buy station. Oh, they're back.
Yeah, that's
They're
why I
back,
said
guys,
get
huh?
away. Let's go over this way, bro.
Get the car.
It's only 2v1. Or 3v2, I think. Oh, fuck that buy station.
No, not that.
Go here, bro. Go here.
Here. Better.
Or this one.
What? Oh shit.
There's someone there here.
Damn, I drive
My
to
God.
How about the buy station here? Did you make it?
Yeah.
Oh no, there's someone in there. Oh, there's a buy station here.
Oh yeah, right here.
Be careful. Nice one. We're back, Carlos. Welcome back, Carlos.
Enemy UAV overhead.
You can start.
So we're gonna stay here.
Yeah, it's not looted.
Yeah, bro. This
Okay.
is no looted. I got mad guns on me too, bro. On my building.
There's two
Copy that.
plates over here. LMG.
Copy, master.
Oh, someone's coming.
Oh, right here, puppy.
Right? Oh no.
No, it's not teammate.
Oh, on top of train station.
They already have their
I
loadout.
got one. Yeah, they are loadout. My goodness. 1-0. I got your team, man.
Oh, Rumbo.
Oh,
I got fucked. There was two of them.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Hey, good try, bro. They're everywhere. Every time we go somewhere. bro.
yeah.
Try a different technique, strategy.
Yeah, like staying. You want to stay like with the circle, but we got like I don't like the open spots, bro, because you never know.
You get
Like
me?
somebody's always gonna snipe you.
Thank you, Howl Kid.
Our kid.
Boy Tago.
Boy Tago. You can call me Boy Tago.
Tago.
Boy Hide.
Boy Hide. Sabihin ko sana eh.
Boy Hide.
Lalaking Tago.
Right, guys. It's hard, huh? Carlos have no
Yeah.
mic.
Invite someone with a mic.
Get yourself the proper warm-up.
I'm just kidding, Carlos.
Carlos. I hope someday we can hear your voice. Huh? Carlos.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Someday,
Target down.
Someday, Carlos.
hear your lovely voice.
You can hear your voice, man. Someday.
Do you wanna command, Carlos? Dapat siya mag-command si Carlos. Walang mic. There's no
Oh.
mic.
There's no mic.
Yeah, he's gonna command.
Enemy soldier incoming.
No, we're gonna share. Share
Start
an
warming
idea.
up. Stand by for
Good,
deployment
good.
to the war zone.
Can type.
Load up, load up,
Load up. Let's go left. Let's go right.
load up. Let's go load up. Let's go there. Enemy, enemy.
What's the plan?
Okay,
plan,
let's see
guys?
the circle. Oh, the
Battle Royale.
let's
Yeah.
hit fucking
Drop point for
I
your
don't
team.
know,
You'll lead them in.
around here.
Gas is approaching your position.
Cause there's a buy station right here.
Okay, let's go there.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. okay.
Kill some bitches.
Hopefully, not a lot of people jump over here.
Yeah. Let's go. Whoa! Someone shooting at me. Diba? Oh. There's a team, guys, huh?
The area. What? Supply box marked. Secure the package.
Hey, you got the king.
I don't. Where they at, bro? Because I got a fucking big ass gun on me, and I'm
Here,
ready to.
here,
Fuck.
here, here, here.
Enemies in the area.
Far.
King, king. He's here, he's here. He jumped, he jumped. From the terrorists.
Objective located.
Did you get him, Carlos?
I got shot from behind, southeast.
He's here, he's here, he's here. Oh, one shot, guys. One shot. Just one shot.
No
Kill
way,
him.
bro.
Oh. One shot na lang
Oh,
yan, pre,
bro,
one
he's
shot.
like-
Oh,
It's behind me, bro.
he's the-
Oh my god, dude.
finish him.
Yeah.
Target down. Mate has entered the
All right, I'm not picking the
Providing
next
us
place.
some redeployment.
Oh. How many? How many, Carlos?
How many, Carlos?
Oh, rooftop.
Enemies in the area. Teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
Your plates, Carlisle.
Contact.
I have. Rooftop.
Building.
Moving. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Nice one.
Aha.
In the rooftop, right here.
Moving.
Wait, Jar.
I have a shotgun, so.
So you
Should
can
I
go
land
there.
on
Go na,
that
if you want.
scavenger?
Yeah, get the tab.
Yeah, but I just died from here.
Gas is inbound.
Where is he, Jar? There's no one in
Your
the
teammate got a
rooftop, huh?
proper sorting. We're sending them home.
There's no one in the rooftop,
Next
boy.
objective located. Enemy UAV overhead.
There they are, there.
Kill this motherfucker.
There.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Over here, Carlos.
Damn.
Or not fucking Carlos.
Did you kill him?
Yeah, I killed one.
Jer?
Yeah, it's not team wipe. It's not team up
Okay.
yet. I have 6k. We can buy Carlos Santana.
Bye. Whoa! Load out, Jer. Load out, Jer. Jer, load out, load out, load out.
Got a loadout drop in there.
Where?
Here, you guys, load out.
Okay.
Why did I use to?
No one.
The
No
money.
one's here.
Buy ammunition if you guys
We
want.
can buy UAV. Drop the money, drop the money, drop the money.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Okay, bet. Kilo.
It's clear.
And the KR98. Okay,
It's
That-
clear, guys, huh?
that's clear. Where you wanna go? Let's try to do a recon, huh?
Yeah, recon again. After
Yeah,
this
yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's
Recon,
finish the
recon,
scab
recon.
first.
Oh yeah.
Contract objective located.
Fuck.
Get some ammo. Ammo, guys, here.
Moving here. Mark them here.
Nice. Good call. I had no idea that was there.
Okay.
Boxes. Sorry.
I heard somebody break. Oh, that's him.
Yeah. Who break the glass?
That was
Ah,
me.
okay.
Yeah. That's him.
I'm drunk.
All supply boxes down. Solid work.
Philippines.
Yan, guys. So let's get the recon. Where's the recon, guys? We don't have recon contract here.
No, let's get a
That's
bounty.
here.
You want to get
Mark
the
them here.
300? We got a truck right here.
Let's flip the bank.
I have ammunition box.
Ah,
Sniper rifle. Go get it.
I got an armor satchel.
Marking armor.
Okay.
Armor satchel on purple.
Oh, sniper, sniper, sniper. Live ping,
Where?
live
Stay on
ping.
the left side.
Wow, he got me, got me, got me, got me. He got me. I'm safe, I'm safe, I'm safe, I'm safe, I'm safe in here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm safe, guys, here. Ah.
I cracked him.
Ah,
Drop inbound.
nice one, nice one. Be careful there, it's good, huh? It's good, it's good.
Yeah, hacker, huh?
It's good, huh? It's him, yeah?
Oh, right there. I see him.
Oh, I
Him, yeah.
cracked him. I cracked him again. Yeah, he knows exactly where I'm at every time, bro. So he's probably hacking.
Yeah, I think so. Huh?
I down him.
He
I
knows
down him. I
exactly
down
where
him.
I'm at.
I down the
Oh,
other
he
guy.
got me again. Look,
I
look.
got one down.
Yeah, it's a knocker. It's a knocker guy, huh?
I got one down. So
He got me again.
oh, I got another.
I'm too
Oh,
far.
somebody's at the buy station. My claymore just went off and hurt him. At my buy station. Yep, they just revived me.
Enemies in the area. Enemy UAV overhead.
Still there.
Where is he? Where is he,
I'm
Fred?
purple.
Where is he?
A red
I'm
pin.
purple.
Purple, purple. Okay.
I cracked him on purple. Wow, I almost just died, bro. These people are hacking, bro, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
bro.
think so, right?
They literally take my armor off every single time they hit me.
Let's leave that guy. Let's go to the
Yeah, let's
Recon.
go. I'm gonna
Let's go,
push
let's
this
go, let's
way.
go, guys.
the hacker.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys.
Can't win
Yeah,
with the
bro.
hacker.
Fuck that shit. If he's cracking
think
all
it's a
three of us,
hacker.
bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Even me, eh? I think I'd already changed my position and you already knew, eh?
That's fucked up.
Oh god. Fuck. This cheater. Cheater bitch.
Warzone.
Enemy UAV
I still have ammo. Oh shit. Where at? So, just pin them. You see them?
I have no idea.
How much
I'm on the
shooting?
recon. I heard it. It might be on top. We could be on top of train.
Not in my. Gonna go to the roof.
Yeah.
Let's
I'm
see.
gonna go to the roof. Dude.
I want to see this hacker.
Oh shit, nah. Damn, we need to go back that way.
She trying to avoid
No, no,
that
no.
spot.
I use my
I got another recon right here.
Waypoint marked.
Oh, right here. Fuck, I'm purple. Never mind.
Dead.
this one's the hacker. Guys, look.
Hacker.
Oh yeah,
That
whole
one
team
too.
right here on purple. On purple.
Yeah.
I cracked one.
Yeah, they're still there. They're coming, huh? They're coming for us. They're coming for us.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They're coming, huh? They're coming.
That's okay. Let them come.
I'm going up.
I'm gonna go up too.
Yeah.
Carlos, come up, bro. Ahora.
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
I knew that's what they were gonna get. Is that fucking?
The two is coming, and the sniper stayed there. Just there.
We can push
Oh, they're
right.
sniping, huh?
We can push right
They're
if you guys
sniping. They're
want.
sniping, huh?
Where's the
What?
sniper?
I've got you,
This
UAV
one is a
overhead.
fucking cheater, huh? Oh, my god.
Body armor here.
They're on the other side. Yo, I can't get you, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've got you.
Support. Let's go there.
You guys need ammo? Do you guys need ammo? I have ammo.
No, I'm good there.
He's right here on purple.
Rounds incoming.
He changed direction.
Safe zone relocated.
Oh,
I've got you. Enemy
I think we
UAV
need to
overhead.
push
Yo, where is he
right.
shooting
We need to
from?
push right.
He changed direction.
You guys wanna go right? Gonna
Yeah,
get
let's go right.
We're gonna get sandwich over here.
That-
Contact front.
Let's go back to the loadout, bro.
Yeah, let's
we
go.
Need to get, I need to
Come on,
get
come
ghosts.
on.
Yeah, I need to get ghosts.
We are pinned down over there. Load up? That's a bait.
Spotted a
Here.
care package.
Let's get a loadout, bro.
Yeah. Give me your money.
I need to get what's it called? Right here, Carlos or
Here.
I have a lot
Get
of
the money,
money.
get the money.
Go movement. Gas is inbound.
What? I will buy loadout, okay?
I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
Enemy UAV overhead. Got a loadout drop inbound.
Money.
Plunder cash here. Friendly UAV overhead.
Oh,
Enemies in the area, okay?
bro. Fucking A, bro.
Breaking the enemy track.
I got one down. Oh my, I don't know where he's at, bro. I don't. I'm so confused. Oh, he's on the other side of the building. I don't fucking know.
we're here.
This is crazy.
I've got you.
There.
Yep, he's coming.
Down.
I dropped
dead,
the
he's
ammo.
dead, he's dead.
Do you guys know where it
Contact
is?
front. Contact front. Have eyes on.
I got it. Oh, someone's here! The rooftop. My God, they follow me.
I've got you. Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for each other. Right out. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
I'm back.
They're still here.
Ah, they're still there.
Yeah.
I've got you.
I'll go to the loadout there. Can I go?
Yeah.
Oh, he's on top.
Yeah.
He's on top.
It's on top there.
Be advised. Friendly precision airstrike inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
I don't got no plates, so if I get sniped or something, I'm dead.
It's on roof. It's on the roof.
Disregard blast. Body armor here.
Not in my heartbeat. Oh, there's one.
Go,
Oh
stand,
yeah, he's. Wow, bro.
Where's he
Yeah.
at?
He just shot me on top of the roof.
The rooftop.
I've got you.
I'll just get my gun, guys. Wait a minute, okay?
Get to the new safe zone.
You? He just. I think he might be all the way on the top of the tower.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Done. He's done.
Or
He's
let me
done.
just
Nice one.
There's a.
Body armor here.
Got a
Oh,
loadout
there's
here.
still an enemy. There's enemy.
Rifle here.
Jer, do you have shield, Jer?
What?
Ito.
Plates?
Okay, I'll get a satchel. Please.
Here, I have one.
I'll
There's a
drop the ammo,
satchel.
guys.
There's a
I need
satchel
ammo.
here.
Oh, where's the satchel? Yeah, I need.
Oh,
I'll
somebody
drop the
took
ammo,
it.
okay?
Sniper rifle.
Alright.
Mark here. Got gas moving in.
Go, get ghost.
There's someone there, no. There's an enemy at the ghost.
We're in safe
At
zone.
the loadout.
Watch for
There's an
enemy.
enemy.
I
There's
just
an
took the
enemy
loadout.
there. Ah, okay.
Maybe that was me.
Body armor here. Enemy soldier incoming. Does anyone need this?
Where is he?
Coordinates marked.
UAV overhead.
That's okay.
He's here.
There's a back
Wala na
on.
ako sniper, ha. Two type na ako, pre.
Yeah, I don't have
This
sniper
circle's
too.
gonna suck. I got a sniper. This circle's gonna suck,
Yeah.
bro, because it's gonna be open in the middle.
At least one of us have a sniper, okay?
Oh, the
I'll push
car is
that
coming back. The car is coming back behind us. Doesn't know where
We
to
want
go.
to get to the king, guys.
He's gonna
We want
get
to
the king.
get the king,
for sure.
guys.
Gonna stay there.
He's got a teammate right there on purple.
You
Dead.
eliminated the most wanted
Teammate,
target.
teammate.
Good job.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Affirmative. Enemies in the area.
There, sniper. Carlos.
Carlos,
Don't stay
come
there,
here, come
don't
here.
stay there. Right side, pre, right side. Let's
No
go.
fucking way, bro.
One is stalling up now.
People is
Get this
cheating
done. Sharp.
my ass off, bro.
Gas is closing.
How did you get shot over there? Oh shit.
This. I think you got somebody coming inside.
Oh,
yeah,
right
they're
here.
rushing.
Oh, you got me. Shoot.
It's a fucking cheating ass niggas, bro.
Check your fire.
You're in the fire station. Oh, they're already below you. I think.
Yep.
Asshole.
Oh!
Wow.
Someone's
That's
waiting.
fucking bullshit, bro.
They hit hard that time, but we'll set the score.
Oh my god.
Close.
Wow.
Like from Idol Rolly L. Makaspak.
Yes.
Matt Jesus.
Lodi. Come on.
Sali ka?
What day, Susan?
Yan o, si
Tara.
Boy Tago. Kilala mo siya, di ba?
Boy Tago to?
Di. Nasa stream siya.
Oo nga.
Sali ka?
Sino si Matesus?
Si Boy Tago.
Ah, si Boy Tago.
Kalaro din niya na yun eh, ni Ikong eh.
Oh.
Sali ka, Lods?
Hindi, kalaro ko.
Ba't to si... Ah, si Macho yata ate.
Matesus.
Ah, si Macho pala.
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up.
Online ka na, Lods? Oh, palitan mo yung isa namin. Wala siyang mic eh.
Pick mo na.
Oo. Sabihin mo pag online ka na para may back ka.
Ang hirap kasi wala siyang
Tara. I'm just gonna back it out. Gonna invite one. Hello?
Low.
Kahit lang natin si ano. Walang mic kasi yung isa eh. Kilala rin lang namin sa ano. Yung isa alala rin namin. Pasok, Carlisle.
Yun. Pre, kunin mo na lang yung isa. Si 1420.
420. Oo nga eh.
Oo, mas okay pa yung kaysa doon kay Carlos. Pucha, walang mic.
Wala pang mic eh.
Walang mic.
Kaya naman pumasok.
Bata yata yung Carlos na yun, pre.
Parang hindi naman bata yung boses eh. May ganun.
Kanina?
Si Carlos? Parang nga eh, parang bata no?
Oo. Ang hina ng diskarte. Nasunod lang loads eh.
Nasa open palagi ano.
Nasunod lang sa...
Yo, 420.
Okay.
Sama natin yung ano.
Yo.
Tama ko.
We left Carlos because...
No mic, bro.
Okay.
Tama.
Okay.
Kanina pa yung message mo na yun? Ngayon ko lang nakita eh.
Hindi, halos ano ko lang din.
Bakbakan kasi kanina eh. Sabi ka
Oo, nakita ko nga.
dali kami nun. Do this.
Do this.
Holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up.
Let's get a win.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the side.
Antingin natin si Rambo.
Oh.
Rambo. Ay, pre. Mamaya sasali daw si Lodi, pre.
Magpaalam na lang tayo.
Enemy dropping
Yeah,
into
last
the
game,
AR.
last game. My last game, okay? Sabi nyo lang, pre.
Parang VLK na tong scope ng
Now we do this for real.
Yung tol.
yung bago sa Cold War, yung in-update nila yung scopes, 'di ba?
Oo. Last game, last game.
Okay.
Last game, last game.
Battle Royale.
Tayo, saan tayo?
Mark a drop point for your team.
Dito, oh.
You
Where are we
got
going?
right there.
Recon? Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's go.
Oh, this guy. We're about to get
Okay.
fucking annihilated.
Areas 420.
420 yan.
Oh, you're so hot.
Right here.
What the fuck?
I don't have a,
Oh!
I don't have ammunition. Shit.
Oh no!
Ang dami na kalaban pa rin.
He got me, little fucking.
Yeah, I ran out of ammo.
Ilan yan? Ilan?
There's two of them in, yeah, inside. There's two of them.
Two?
In the gulag.
Yeah,
Fight to earn redeployment.
Coming.
that's what I saw.
You can always have a go.
There's only
Abangan
two.
na lang natin sila. Chok, ito na, Chok.
Some choice words will smash their mugs.
Ito. Si Rambo.
It's what?
Pay attention.
Rambo
I know.
is you.
It's fun.
You're up next, mate. Get ready.
I killed two.
Meron pa pre, si Rambo, outside.
Wait.
Got him.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here.
Nandiyan sa kaliwa.
Alright.
Kanan.
Freedom, soldier.
Sniper lang siya,
such a
sniper.
bad spot to land. Oh, I'm gonna get this helicopter, guys.
What the hell?
Bringing you home.
Very sneaky.
Kanan po.
Turo ko siya, wait.
Sige, pre.
Cash, they can pay for your release.
Nasaan ang gagong to?
Ito.
Down, pre. Nice one. Kill him! Rambo!
Rambo.
Got you, Rambo.
Rambutan.
Sorry.
I'm gonna get a sniper.
Sorry, Rambo.
Don't cry,
Oh
Rambo.
my god, I got
Don't cry,
3
Rambo.
fucking bullets.
We got Rambo, guys.
Don't cry
Yes.
tonight.
Don't cry, Rambo.
Plates, here.
Grassy.
Grazie.
I'm only playing this game to hunt Rambo. Let's buy.
Let's kill Rambo.
Rambo is the key.
Bibili natin sa UAV. Gusto mo?
Let's go get that recon.
Recon.
Let's buy him first here.
Ah, si. Yeah. I forgot the pero.
You forgot me. We forgot the
Jar,
Rambo,
sorry,
huh?
Sorry, Jar.
I will cry now. I will cry.
Don't cry. I will buy you, okay?
Here, I will drop armor box.
Do you want me to cry?
Don't cry, Jar, okay? Don't cry.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind.
Don't cry,
Oh, what
Jar.
happened? Oh, shit. He got disconnected.
Oh my god.
Got disconnected, huh?
My god.
Where you guys
Let's
going?
get this recon.
My god.
Oh, shoot.
Let's finish this. Because I have last game.
Yeah.
This is my last game, guys. I'm going to shoot.
Okay, right here, guys. Right here.
Wait for target.
Where?
Waypoint
Inside?
Hangar.
How many?
Oh shit! Behind us. Oh no, he's to the right. Over there. Fucking A. Oh, he's in the building. In the green building.
Shit.
Little bitch.
I didn't see this guy. We're here.
Green building?
Yeah, the green building. He's coming out, coming into the hangar. In the hangar to your left. Behind you, to your left.
Oh, shit.
I'm dead.
Damn, I'm fucking sunburned, bro. I can't even move my arms. Good shit.
We have still recon. Oh my goodness. How did I go to the... I'm going to the king. Oh no.
Go kidnap Rambo for ransom.
Ransom. Rambo, ransom. Loadout na lang bro, loadout.
Not for ransom.
Di si pa si Macho.
Message say. Yeah, disconnected. Ooh, gas mask.
Ah. Okay. Oh. I'll get the first one, okay?
Doesn't matter to me. Where
I don't
is
care.
the first one?
Closest one you can get.
Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Oh, 420 is the first one. Sorry, Jer.
Hey,
Don't cry, okay?
I will
bro,
cry.
Hey, bro. Hey,
I
bro.
will
Don't
cry again.
Jer. Don't cry. Don't
Oh,
cry.
bro.
Sorry, Jer.
Worries.
Okay.
Sorry, Jer. I'll get you next time, okay? Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro.
Waypoint
Don't
marked.
cry, okay? Don't cry. Don't cry.
Right.
Don't you cry no more. That rock music. You guys know rock music, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I love rock
fuck.
music, yeah.
Don't you cry no more.
Don't you cry tonight.
Oh, there's a guy on a loadout.
Sighting
We're
in.
natural.
Oh,
Right
there's a
here,
guy.
puppy. Let's
How
go.
many,
Rush
how
this
many, how
guy.
many?
One guy. One
How
guy. One
many?
guy. Let's go. One guy. One guy.
Let's go, let's go,
Oh,
let's
he's
go,
coming.
let's go, let's go, let's go.
Sighting in.
1, 2. Oh, he's right here on me. Watch.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's fucking classic.
Get your loadout.
Yeah, let's go.
The gas is coming
Hey,
too.
good.
Oh, the gas is coming too. Come on, come on.
I think
come
it's
on.
not the first wave. Is it the first wave? It's
Yeah,
slow.
it's gonna be
I
slow.
think
Yeah, it's slow.
so.
It's slow. You're good. You're good.
Come on, come on, come on. I hate gas.
Hey, Pinche. What the fuck? There we go. Alright, I got the kilo and then fucking whatever it is. Let's go.
Let's get Jer, okay?
There should be a car here, right? Ew.
Yeah.
Hey, fucking Zero,
Give me money,
look at this
give me
guy's
money.
gun, bro. Look at this guy's gun. You ready?
Hold on. Let me switch. Oh shit! I don't like that.
Ready? Ugly, bro. That's
I'm
gonna
not.
kill
I'm not used to
somebody.
that. Thermal scope. Is that a thermal scope?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Ah.
Yeah, it's like a or heat. Yeah.
Yeah,
basically
heat.
thermal.
Coordinates marked.
Oh, here, take my money, bro. Get him back.
Get some money.
Cash money. That is a lot of rope. We need
I'm
to
gonna
get
run
to
up
safe.
first just in case we get popped.
Don't cry,
Somebody.
Jer, ah.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
already
sir,
crying.
yes, sir.
I'm already crying.
I think it's clear.
Cry tonight.
Not looted. No, we need 100 more. 100.
Oh,
Oh, there's
shit.
box inside. There's box inside.
Where?
Inside
It's been
the,
looted. I can hear the box though.
No, here,
Yeah.
here, I can hear. Sinapay tabi. Give me money,
Oh,
man.
no money.
Oh. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, for 700.
Don't try
Nice.
Zero, okay?
I got a
Opening
gun out of the
dollars.
riot shield.
Need cover, never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, spokening dollars,
Don't try Zero, okay?
Carlisle.
Here, you
Don't
take my
you-
gun. Wait.
Don't try Zero, okay?
Sabi ni Dexter eh. Spokening English. Ay, spokening dollar.
Hey, you want?
Yeah, man.
Got a
I
gun.
don't speak Filipino. I'm sorry, guys, because I'm Italian.
I just learned Tagalog with you guys. Because I'm playing with you.
I just know to say I love you.
Dollars, huh?
Come on for 20. Come on.
Hey,
Where are we going?
Hey,
Let's
hey.
go. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Ooh, let's
Where are you
go.
going?
Oh, dinero.
Anywhere.
Dinero.
You guys
So, dinero,
don't have
mucho trabajo.
Claymore 20.
Pao, poquito dinero.
Guys, come on. I got to.
Dinero for loadout.
Oh, get this one. My
Thank you
friend.
very much.
My friend.
Don't
My
cry.
Friend, get this one. For
You
20.
cry.
Oh, recon. Get that recon.
My God, you guys.
Yeah. Let's get recon, boys. Let's go, recon.
Shout out,
Recon.
idol.
Proceed to the mark
Dexter.
location and secure the area.
Shout out, idol lady.
The opening
Shout out
dollars.
to 420. Shout
And
out to
loaded.
420. From Ohio.
You're from Ohio?
Who?
I thought.
You.
Fuck no. I'm from Florida.
Oh, he's from
Florida,
Florida.
right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm on the beach,
Florida.
puppy.
Yeah. Florida Blanca. Pampanga.
Yes. No, me fucking beach hoto, bro.
Wow.
See.
Nice.
Tu papi muñaño.
Hey, what you doing over there, Orange? Huh?
What's your puppy? Oh, someone's shooting at me.
Get to the news.
Use that.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Like
Okay, let's
XM4.
go.
Next import.
Let's get that vehicle so we can cut across without getting shot at.
Yeah. Oh, it's not looted, man.
Dollars.
I got a trophy system for that truck too. Oh,
Not
this
for
is
the
loaded.
MVP candidate. MVP candidate. The trophy.
Whose is that?
Flying my
Is that drone?
drone.
Under. Drone. There's a drone.
For nobody
thought
with
lobby.
us.
Out of the way.
Where
I'll
we
be
going?
right.
Where we
Where we
going?
going, guys? Where we going? Come on.
Go shopping.
Let's go.
Let's go camping.
Guys, let's go camping, guys.
Where you wanna go?
Hello. Oh, there.
Okay. Heard.
It's up to you.
Look at the
The trophy. 6th man of the year. 1420.
We don't have a loadout.
No doubt.
That's okay, we
coming
can
out.
wait. Do you guys think loadout's gonna drop here?
I can wait forever.
Whatever. Someone's
Oh, there's
already
a guy on
camping.
top of here.
Let's
Oh,
kill
there's
this
a-
motherfucker.
There's a guy on top. A guy all the way on top.
Motherfucker.
Ping.
I don't know. I just saw the bullets.
Oh, he took our vehicle.
Fire!
No, he didn't. That little fucking pinche.
Hey, puto.
It's Rambo, guys. It's Rambo,
It's Rambo again.
He's cracked. Cracked.
Down.
God. Good. Oh, there's another guy somewhere. Oh, he's up top. All the way up top. All the way up top. He's sniping.
Got you.
He's sniping up top.
Wait,
I've got Rambo.
blue?
No, he's up top. Oh, two of them. Two of them up top coming down.
Yeah,
One
I
is
don't have-
sniping and one is rushing you.
I don't have plates.
Right there, to your left, puppy. To your left up top. Bro, trust me. They're coming down the mountain right now. Yeah.
No, they're coming there. I cannot get up.
Ah, good try.
Oh, no.
Alright.
You asshole. Okay, guys. Thank you for playing.
I'll play you guys again tomorrow.
That was my last game.
You guys,
Alright,
bye.
Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Dito muna tayo, Jer. Baka walang cheater dito, Jer.
Yeah, spoken in dollar, eh?
Spoken in dollar, Carlila.
God.
Wala na ba kayong ibang ma-invite?
Dalawa na raw sila eh. Sila Matthew, yung kasama namin kanina. Naging dalawa na eh.
Awesome, ha?
Si Macho Papi.
Trio. Trio na.
Dalawa na raw sir.
Oh, kamari, popcorn.
Oh, yan man yung popcorn. Spoken. Si 420 sana pre, sinali mo na lang sana,
Oo nga,
Jer.
oo nga pala no. Gusto mo isali?
Sali na lang si
Sige,
420 pre.
invite.
Sali mo na.
Invite. Ay, invite ko.
Sabi mo last three games, sabi mo, ganun na lang. Para magtuloy-tuloy. Invite mo,
Sino
Jer,
ba
invite
yun?
mo. Yung
Dan-
Amerikano.
Yo,
Oh,
yo.
random.
Okay.
Yo, we decided
Okay, three
to
games-
play
three games
10 more.
10
Oh,
more, okay.
3 more.
You
10
guys
more,
getting
10
off?
more.
No,
Oh,
no, no.
Black God, my dog.
Got 5 already.
Damn. We got 5 people? Okay.
You guys ready
It's
for the win?
NBA. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I will play again, okay? I will play.
Yes, sir.
10 more games, okay.
No,
I will-
this game,
Is
bro.
that okay? Is that okay? 14-20?
20 more games.
Your real name, my friend.
20 more
Yung
games.
real name niya, pre. Real name niya, no?
You ready for the
Bro.
win, bro?
Bro,
Yeah, 20 games.
No.
20 mas
Ben-
game.
Oh, Bente again.
bro. 14-20. Where are you?
What?
Nasaan na siya, tol?
Andyan. Ayun, 420.
Yeah.
Oh. In...
For 20 kills. Total.
Hold it for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Enemy soldier incoming.
Let's get high, bro. What you guys? You guys smoke weed, bro?
Every day.
Sometimes.
Hey, me too, bro. Every day.
Nah, not every day. Once in a while, yes. I don't have money. If I have a lot of money,
Oh.
yes. Need to pay my internet for Warzone.
Hey, bro, you gotta start saving more, bro.
Enough practice.
Formula for
Ooh.
you know. Hey, we gotta share some over there.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, bro, you come over, bro. I'll give you a
Smoke us
lot.
out.
Hey, come on.
420.
Let's go.
Every day is 420.
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier.
You guys wanna go on
Gas is
drop
approaching
spot?
your position. Move to the safe zone.
Where are we
I'm
going?
following you guys. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
It's true.
My life is brilliant.
Oh.
Love is pure.
Oh, I got it. I got a whole team coming.
Gotta kill them.
Oh my god, there's like 17 people
Too
coming
much,
here,
too
guys.
much, too much.
Oh, bro, you guys is crazy.
Let's go.
Get away from there. Zero, get away.
Down
Oh, you
one?
guys are there? Oh, you guys are here.
No, puppy, there's like 30 people.
I'm coming there now.
Yeah, oh yeah, see, bro? There's
I dropped here by
50
myself.
people there. No, we were coming, bro, until we saw the people.
Ah, you're good.
I got ammo,
was-
ammo.
Yo, that was
Nice,
a lot of
nice.
people.
I wasn't paying attention.
If you survive, you earn your freedom.
There's like
Literally, like,
a party over there.
Front line. You lose, your fight
yeah,
is over.
20 people at least. is there.
Sort them out or capture the objective.
Oh my god, what?
Oh, fucking pinche. Pinche maricón. Quiet.
Stand by for
I'm still alive, I'm still alive.
I'm coming.
I got you.
Oh my god, what?
I've got you.
Got you. Mucho dinero, huh?
Down wipe? Oh my god!
enemy UAV overhead.
Let's help. Oh, they're in the tower.
There's so much over here, bro.
Yeah, right. Yo, bro, no way. I lit that guy up.
Ocho cabron over there.
I'm to Papa.
Got gas moving in.
Vendor here if you need equipment. I've been sighted.
Someone in here. Orange.
Hit.
Movement.
May kalaban doon, may kalaban.
San? Sa tower.
Tower tol.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh my fuck! What a fucking camper!
Bitch. Yep. Two of them.
Ah, what? There's two. There's one more over there by the bus.
They survive, they can redeploy.
What a fucking camper.
Yeah, too.
Yeah. Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
To your pepe.
Nice. Yeah. What is it? Bonita.
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 To your pepe.
Nice.
I'm gonna take this one first and then...
Vehicle marked.
God damn.
Oh! Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying. There's so many people on fucking quads, bro.
Jumping in there too.
All they're gonna do is camp, bro. Oh, right there!
Got
God, you
you.
know his friend's coming.
I'm gonna get my ghost first.
Vehicle marked.
Tropa. Overtake. Overtake.
Yeah, don't kill yourself.
43 seconds. Get the other truck.
Wow, it's so different.
There's another
Oh,
truck.
someone camping over here.
Take the chopper.
Here it comes, bro.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's nice. Thank you, thank you. Oh, here.
I've got the wheel.
Vendor here if you. Does anyone need this?
Oh, they're coming for me.
Does anyone need this?
Sa baba. Sa baba, sa baba.
Gonna get this scavenger.
Okay, hit it. I'll drop on it.
Supply box ready for pickup.
Oh, it's right there.
I killed one of them.
Nice. Get a loadie.
Objectives updated. Move to the next
Damn,
location.
Carl, motherfucker, far away.
I can drive.
You guys wanna go for the
Oh, top of
loadout now?
airport. Top of airport, you guys are getting shot at.
Objectives updated. Move to the next
Device
location.
spotted.
I can drive.
Oh
We're
no,
gonna buy
it's the
some
tower.
loadout first.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy some loadout now. Gonna get this one first.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the tank.
Tower, tower.
Ah.
Buy station.
Where are you going to the buy? Where are you guys going?
The buy station here.
We're gonna buy some loadout now.
You have a car, so we can.
I don't see no loadout.
Oh, he's gonna buy us a loadout.
Here.
Oh, I didn't see there's a buy station
Drop
here.
inbound.
Extra money over here.
Jackpot.
Oh shit!
Oh, shit, he's broke.
Wow, bro. Fucking.
Camping the whole time over there.
Yep. Camping the loadout though. Oh, you guys killed them all? I was about to talk shit to them.
Yeah, yeah.
Right here.
One more.
I got mounted, bro. I got mounted.
Oh, it's another team.
I got you.
Holy shit, bro. That was crazy.
I have plate over here if you guys want.
Yeah, I need... So there's a guy still up in this building, okay?
Copy.
Purple.
Here.
Lili ko lang matal.
Where? Oh, he's on top?
There's a vehicle behind you, Green.
Copy.
Yeah, this guy ran up here, so he might be camping for us.
Elf.
Oh, that might be the fighting way over there.
You guys wanna go over here?
Moving there.
Wherever.
Oh yeah, they all...
Is that a decoy grenade?
No.
Oh, I'm about to kill this guy on top of fucking... What's it called, though?
It's a fucking tower.
The all the way on fucking airport roof.
Enemy sighted.
300? You guys streaming?
Yeah, I do stream for myself only.
Load the gaming.
So, what, you guys play like for the fucking, people watch you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but nobody watch me. Just watch myself.
One over here.
Sorry, sa tower. Tira nyo na nga sa tower. Puta, ang mga to ah.
Displacing.
Where, bro?
Movement.
Here.
Moving. Disregard
Copy.
that.
Oh my god.
Right side.
I see somebody sniping at me.
There's coming over here.
Oh my god, he lit me up.
Down.
One over here. He's coming up now. Done him.
Nice.
Bitch.
Oh,
What I say? I don't see nobody, but
there's a gas mask in the second floor.
oh fuck. Okay, get it. You guys get it.
No, I already have, bro. Just take it.
There's a guy right here on purple. Oh, look at this on top of the airport.
We're gonna
cracked
go
him.
here now.
Oh, down the guy on top of the airport.
One over here.
Nice.
Down him.
Nice.
Gotta get to the safe zone.
Oh, he got Salo revive, bro. Down one.
Oh, there's one more over here.
Oh
My
shit.
god. There are three of them.
Yeah, they're gonna trap the fuck out of us, bro.
Go
We're
to
fucked.
go under the purple.
Iron sharpens iron.
Oh, right here under the awning.
That's
Nice.
one more on your top.
Oh, another one. Oh, fucking
Oh
A.
shit.
Use the proper
Yeah,
You
dang.
guys playing again or something?
Yeah.
20.
Heard.
Oh, you still wanna play?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
I think
I'm gonna be
Carla
playing all night.
is... Carla, are you there?
Yeah.
There you go.
Kausap, kausap ko lang tol si Merna, yung aming kaibigan.
Ah, sige, tara.
Pound.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Next recon contract. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Thanks for that. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. We'll take.
On.
Oh, bullshit, bro.
Targets are up. Get to work. Come on, toughen up. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Right here.
Down him.
Inside.
Down him.
More. 2 more.
Oh damn! I didn't even see. He's camping in it behind or fucking under the thing, bro.
Down.
Nice.
Literally right there on the corner, bro.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Enemy dropping.
If they survive, they can redeploy.
Right inside this building.
Didn't even hear.
Oh! Sober here. I broke his armor,
Yeah.
bro. Nice.
I downed one over here inside. There's one more.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
My God, another team, bro.
One more by the municipio.
Another team.
Yeah. By the municipio.
Fight's begun. You can practice your aim while you wait. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads.
Are we all dead? Oh
It's a
shit.
well-placed stone.
Okay. I'm gonna go
Here we
to.
go. Get ready
Let's go to
fight. You're
TV
next.
station, bro. Huh?
But we have
Or
Recon
no?
first, bro. Let's
yeah,
finish
let's-
that one.
Okay.
That's
I'll
already
be back.
finished.
You win this fight and you return to the front
Oh, this one?
line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
I got a chest right here.
Copy.
Stand by for redeployment.
Good shit, guys.
Nice one.
Back.
Yeah, back.
Back, bitches.
You wanna push more? Oh yeah, we gotta go that way, bro.
Oh, they're
Yeah.
on the side. They're on the side.
Displacing.
We can't be on that open. Hey, they have to come here. They have to come this way.
I pinged them, bro. I'm gonna push them now.
Almost here.
Jar, plate.
Plato. Yeah, plato.
Got that.
There's another one here.
There's some armor.
Yeah, let them come to us. The people from prison are leaving too in a helicopter.
Enemy helo.
They might be pushing that way actually, bro. Like over here
Marking waypoint.
instead of our way.
Oh, you have to go on this side.
Moving there.
Yeah, they're on this side now.
Oh, in here, in this building. Yeah, in y'all's building, bro. Right in here.
Yeah.
Here, I got dead silence.
He's on this side now.
Heading there now.
Where? I didn't even see him.
Here. Nandito sa loob, tol.
Down one.
Oh shit, they free.
Oh, he did down me, bro. Fuck. And one's down upstairs. He's reviving.
Nice.
That's a kill.
He's reviving. This guy.
Copy.
Yep. Right below you. Yep. Right below you on the second shelf. Oh, he just got down.
Nice.
Right there. Right there. Woo. Good
Oh.
shit. Let him get his
Nice
shit.
one.
No, he's gonna get his stuff. I think. Yeah, right below you. Oh, right there. That roof is loud. Oh yeah, let his ass. He has to run the circle. Fuck him. You stay right there. Camp his ass. Oh, what a he fucking. Oh, he got out.
Challenge.
Beautiful.
Challenge, man. There's no challenge.
Oh, another guy. Right there, perfect. Oh, right. What? That's
You hit him inside the car?
crazy. Yeah.
First time I saw that happen.
Oh, fuck, another team, bro.
Nah, you should have gotten the car, bro, and dipped. Oh, heard. Load up.
Oh. Okay.
Holy shit.
The enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Kiss.
Got some body armor.
Body on my feet.
One more ticket to the turn.
Yo.
Yeah, good.
Nothing, man. Chilling. Which one? Oh, yeah, Norm. Oh. Nine, dude. Just sitting. Yeah, me and fucking Sierra, dude, split up. That was too much for her, and I fucking, I don't know. She just did a lot of sketch shit, so of course I'd be like, all right, I'd get mad at little shit like that. So, all right, you get off at work at 11, but
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
I thought it was great.
Hello.
Okay, guys.
Let's get it up.
Let's go over here.
Heading there now.
Let's go.
Set a drop point.
Just give the enemy a dub. Just kidding.
Gas is
Get it
approaching your
up.
position. Move to the safe zone. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Get a win for the boys.
Oh, why did I drop over here?
Clear to engage all targets.
We're already square up. We're just over. I've just been like keep walking and everything, so I'll.
Be advised.
I
There's
gotta
an enemy team
work, bro.
hunting
I'm
you.
not Thursday.
What?
I'm coming to Orlando next Thursday, so we can.
Let's try to early.
Sniper rifle here.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Yeah, I mean, I can fucking, honestly, tell Brian, I can text him tonight, or text him here soon and try to figure out.
Sniper rifle here.
They're on the side.
Shifting location.
Just so he, like, I can't just be like, oh, hey, I gotta run for Orlando or something. No, he'll be like, you need to find something different. I can really do that is fucking Paul.
Sniper rifle here.
Paul doesn't work until it's all like, no, I feel you. Dude, like I said, I wish. I went out to the beach yesterday, bro. And fucking got burnt, dog. Yeah. So I'm gonna get my tan back. I fucking, no, you have a place to park your trailer and your boat. Yeah.
SMG here.
Yeah.
We're gonna check that reinforce. I think it's not lured.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not lured.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be on the phone for a couple seconds, but I'm gonna be following you.
Yeah, that's all. That's all.
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter. Time for round one. Losing ground. You evaded the enemy trackers. Good work.
Yes. Warzone is not. God. Map. That's fucking.
Enemy helo.
right on the train, like running around the back. Helicopters are flying around, bro. It's fucking a whole downtown area.
Right, please locate. Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
God damn. I think it's one on lumber.
Can do one more over there.
Yeah. Let's
Grab.
maybe go on the side.
Right, please locate. I'll take. Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
No.
I'm gonna get this one.
Primary objective accomplished. Recon intel secured.
Oh, yeah.
This 31.
Yeah, it's probably on lumber.
Lumber.
Taking the wheel.
Come back.
Yeah, I'm coming next to go.
Take this one. I can eat my lomi while on the back seat.
Well, yeah, let's take these from.
Oh, there's a Lodi.
There's two of them.
Oh, someone's already coming.
I might not know that right. I got like.
Oh my god.
No shot!
Oh shit.
But now I actually not use.
What?
Did a team wipe?
Survive.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I put 300 down. I have 300.
Always have a go at these bastards while you're waiting.
Yeah, but I only have 10
Some
bucks.
choice on it. The well-placed stone.
No, I know that. I'm not worried about that. I gotta just figure out how I'm gonna get off.
You're up next, mate.
Nasa taas, Carlisle. Ayun. Tumipat sa kabila. Nasa kotseng, pinanggalingan mo.
Still to come. Alright guys, I'm back, bro. Sorry, my brother, man, he's fucking.
Oh,
Nah, that's
something.
alright, bro.
No worries, man.
Where they at?
And you return to the front line.
They're all dead.
You lose, you're done here.
I got a couple.
Sort them out or capture the objective. We're bringing you home.
Don't worry, bro. We have
Make
money.
it.
I got enough, bro.
If your team has the cash, they can pay for your
Pwede sa
release.
loadout, tol, pwede.
Tal. Bumili na akong ghost natin.
All friendlies in the safe zone.
Very nice. Thank you.
Okay, we got everybody. Damn, he had a lot of money, huh?
I know it.
Big time.
Extra money over here. Buy some Saudi. Or what else?
I got you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Cash money. That is a lot of ruble.
I got a
for my-
self-revive. And then I dropped all my money for you guys.
There you go.
Oh, there's a ATV coming.
Yep. Let him come.
Enemy vehicle.
That's good.
No, it's not coming.
Down.
Dead.
Okay, we need to figure out. I need to figure out this circle. Where are we going?
Circle is by the lumber.
We should try to
There's-
hold this building or these buildings, right?
There's another satchel over here.
Yeah, I need to get we need to get a vehicle.
Oh, someone shooting me.
Going.
Someone
You
shooting
guys want to
me.
start crossing the bridge and
You want to go over here?
Marking
start
Copy,
camp?
copy.
Okay, we might get fucked.
They might get fucked.
Heard.
Oh, lumber? Okay.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
One
can't
more
believe-
recon.
Huh?
Recon.
Ready
One more
camping
recon. There's someone over here.
Displacing.
by the buy station too.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Satchel over here.
There's some armor. Move to the next area. Secure the perimeter. Displacing.
Tara, secure.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
I'm coming.
Gas is closing.
Meron dyan, tol, ah.
Hostile.
Enemies in the area.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Basag na yan, tol. Basag na.
Saan napunta? Someone over here.
Copy that.
What?
Ah, ito eh.
Nice,
Alam ko si
nice, nice,
Santino.
nice. Hindi, pinatay ko na sa taas eh.
Hindi, akala ko ikaw yun. Kaya hindi ko binaril. I thought that was you.
Oh,
It's just me, ah.
damn! I thought he was gonna kill me while I was self-reviving.
Same here. Someone drove over here.
Vehicle here.
Gas is moving.
We are
Sniper rifle here.
So far,
We're
we're
in safe
good.
zone. Watch for enemy.
Oh,
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Moving. Disregard blast. Disregard blast.
Oh, that's... See, that circle's gonna be in the middle, bro. We need to... Yeah, so for now on, we just need to ride the storm. Because we don't know where the thing's gonna turn.
Do you wanna buy self-revive, bro? Cause you don't have self-revive.
here, I'll
Yeah,
give
I
you my
need
money.
one now.
And buy some
got
precision over here.
Cash here.
Jackpot. Cash here.
I'm a millionaire.
Where is it?
Buy some
Vendor marked.
There's
3
someone-
UAV. So we got global.
Someone in the yellow building. Okay. This one.
Does anyone need this?
Friendly UAV overhead.
Yeah. Just going for the king.
Come and get.
What else do you guys want?
Moving.
Can pin them.
Enemy vehicle.
I got 7 grand on me.
Friendly
UAV, bro.
overhead.
One more UAV. So we got
Enemies in the area. Enemies in the area.
comment now.
Moving. Disregard blast.
Everybody's got ghosts mostly, except over here
Coordinates marked.
and a guy right here.
Marking waypoint.
Hey, that guy in the yellow is gonna have to come to us. Oh, another guy coming in on top of the thing. I broke the guy's armor on the tower.
Shifting location.
He jump out.
I think I'm dead, bro. Oh, I knew it. I knew it, bro.
Dude, what the fuck, man? I can't get in that building?
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Your teammates in the
We still
gulag.
have.
If they survive, they can redeploy.
Nice.
Target neutralized. Well done.
Wipe, wipe, wipe.
Sniping us from behind.
Right here on the end of this fence.
There's no enemy over here.
Come on, man. Where the fuck are they at, bro? It's gonna piss me the fuck off, dude. Cheating ass niggas.
Green. Green.
No, he shot me from like over here.
Losing ground. Be advised, your team
What
got
the
their
fuck?
RPB and enemy.
Enemies in the area.
Be advised,
I'm gonna go buy Santino back. 15 BC. They're in the second floor.
Bro, one is over here on purple,
I'm busy.
or he's running down. He's
I'm gonna get my. Nice, nice. I'm gonna back.
enemy UAV
yeah, let's just
overhead.
try to stay next to the circle so we ain't
Yeah, they're gonna come to
fucking
us.
getting fucked.
Movement.
What? Man, this fucking camper.
Easy.
What a fucking camper. He's still on the side. On the side. It's all.
Tangina, napatay ko na sana, tol.
I've got you.
Oh, he's coming around.
Ah, shit.
Enemies in the area.
Saan?
Fuck.
Pa nakahanda.
I'll try to buy one of you guys back.
Okay.
God damn it, bro. That's fucking bullshit, man.
He's
I'm out
probably
after
cheating.
this, bro.
He's probably cheating.
Yeah. Alright, bro. I'm out, guys. Oh, never mind. I got gulag.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, I'll try. Wow, get out of
Did
here.
you see
bro.
that?
Remaining.
Yeah.
Cheater?
Back strong.
Cheater.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Cheetah. Alright, guys. See you later.
Okay. GG.
Ikapin ko lang si, ano, yung anak ko Lods, sa school. Balik ako sa, ano, mamaya ulit sa Lods.
Sige, sige.